BPM TV, big salute, back with another reaction. We got The Sound of Ceremony by Nipsey Hussle. Any Nipsey, send it to my old account's gone, so people please subscribe to this new account, man. Show some love. Yeah, let's go. King Nipsey, let's go.
Now if I break your heart, little mama, don't make a scene. You really mad at yourself cause you couldn't do it to me. Probably call me a
Putting it in my playlist quick.
failure if I ain't never achieved. I'd rather you call me cocky for living like I believe that I'm a king. No sympathizing with the fake or surprises from the snakes. It's flock season and I value my estate, so I bought some barbed wire in case they try and climb the gate. Houston rockin' on my waist. Hip.
Too much, man. You listening to this?
Or surprises from the snakes. It's flock season and I value my estate, so I bought some barbed wire in case they try and climb the gate. Houston rockin' on my waist. Hip hop cops on my case, but fuck 'em. More deposits in the bank. Goddamn, a nigga straight. Crooked letter on my face. I'm a fly crip, but I rep my whole race. Couple of us eating good, but everybody.
I'm a fly crip and I rep my whole race.
Cops on my case, but fuck 'em. More deposits in the bank. Goddamn, a nigga straight. Crooked letter on my face. I'm a fly crip, but I rep my whole race. Couple of us eating good, but everybody wanna taste. They say, get willing or them niggas gon' take. I say, if you want fish, let me lead you to the lake. But niggas late, seeing I'm a late night.
Stop it, please. You're blowing my head up. King Nips, this is the real Nips.
Love us eating good, but everybody wanna taste. They say, get willing or them niggas gon' take. I say, if you want fish, let me lead you to the lake. But niggas late, seeing I'm a late night. Early morning, nigga, 25-8. Life wasn't easy growing up, I had to make something out of nothing. If you struggled, you relate. But now I'm straight, everything great. I don't need your help now, nigga, all of y'all late. That's why I made sure I made all of y'all shake. The way y'all ride dick, I think all of y'all gay. Practice all night, ballin' all day. Sleeping on the flights, when I land I get paid. I ain't got a boss, I am not a slave. Turning up my hustle, so I give my
I ain't got a boss, I am not a slave, come on.
Get paid, I ain't got a boss, I am not a slave. Turning up my hustle, so I give myself a raise. And it's funny how people let money make them change. See you sticking to the script and start ripping out the pages of history. It ain't a mystery, if I die yesterday my life would be a victory. These niggas sound stupid saying they invented me, but arguing with fools is a waste of energy. I'm a franchise player and an owner of the team, and they only envy me cause we on the winning spree. Now this the sound of my ceremony, the sweet smell of success, yes, I wear it on me. The Snoop Dogg looking nigga in the mirror told me, keep getting money, fuck bitches, and beware of homies. Cause Brutus killed Caesar, and Judas killed Jesus. But that's where I'ma leave it, cause they call it dry snitching if I take it any deeper.
Too much. Ten out of 10 people anymore, send it to BPM TV. I'm gone.